Hi there. In this video, we'll explore the Website Options panel, your gateway to a powerful set of tools that make managing and enhancing your website effortless. We'll provide a quick overview of all the features, and for more in-depth guidance, you can check out our detailed videos on each option. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll find a quick link to the Templates and Design section. With Pixpa, you can switch templates and fine-tune your website design anytime. The Design section allows you to customize the look and feel of every element of your site. For a deeper dive into design options, check out our detailed videos on templates and style editing. The Password Protect site page gives you complete control over your website's accessibility. Here, you can enable password protection to limit access to authorized users, making it ideal for client previews, work-in-progress projects, or private content. This is how your password-protected website will look like. Need to take a break or make updates? Switch to maintenance mode to inform visitors that your site is temporarily unavailable. It's also perfect for holidays or times when you're not taking on new work. This is how your website will look when maintenance mode is enabled. You can even personalize the password protection and maintenance mode pages with custom messages, background images, and social links, ensuring they look polished and professional. You can also use the scheduler to automate when password protection or maintenance mode starts and ends, saving you time and effort. Accidentally deleted something? The Recovered Deleted Items feature has you covered. It provides a list of everything you've deleted in the last 30 days, allowing you to restore items with just one click. Next, let's explore Web Pages tags. Tags help you categorize and organize your content, making site management easier. This page lists all the tags you've added to pages, galleries, blogs, and other content items. From here, you can review or delete tags effortlessly. Now, let's look at the tools for enhancing your header and footer. On the Social Links page, you can easily add links to your social media profiles and decide whether to display them in the header, footer, or both. Once enabled, visitors will see clickable icons leading directly to your social platforms. You can also upload a social media image that represents your website when shared on social media platforms. From the Site Search page, you can enable a search bar that appears in your website's header. Visitors can use it to quickly find exactly what they need, whether it's a product, gallery, or blog post. Pixpa also offers detailed configuration options to help you fine-tune the search functionality for a seamless user experience. On the Menu Button page, you can add a customizable call-to-action button, such as a Book a Session button, to your website's header. Once enabled, this button stands out alongside your main menu. You can adjust its size, style, and colors to perfectly match your site's design, creating a polished and professional look. The Pre-Footer is a versatile section that appears just above your website's footer and can be displayed across your entire site. You can use the Pre-Footer to showcase key information like contact details, an Instagram feed, or a compelling call to action. It's a simple yet effective way to engage visitors before they reach the bottom of your page. For added flexibility, you can hide the Pre-Footer on specific pages if needed. The Cookie Information Bar promotes transparency by informing visitors about your site's use of cookies. You can enable it, add a custom message explaining how cookies are used, and customize its style to match your website's look. This is how the Cookie Information Bar will display on your website. This feature builds trust with your audience while ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. Now let's take a look at the Marketing and SEO section in the Website Options panel. This set of tools helps you optimize your website's visibility and engagement while connecting with your audience effectively. The SEO Manager is your one-stop solution for optimizing your site's search engine performance. Use it to configure meta titles, descriptions, and keywords for each page, ensuring your website is discoverable and ranks higher in search results. With Marketing Popups, you can create attention-grabbing messages to engage your visitors. Use them to promote offers, collect emails, or share important updates. Customization options make it easy to match the pop-up's design with your website's look. The announcement bar, displayed prominently at the very top of your website above the header, is perfect for sharing important updates, special promotions, or announcements. Once enabled, visitors will immediately see the bar as they land on your site, making it impossible to miss. You can customize the bar with a message, adjust its colors and style to fit your design, and even add clickable links to guide visitors directly to specific pages or offers. Whether it's a limited-time deal or an important announcement, the bar ensures your message gets noticed. Additionally, with the scheduler, you can automate when the announcement bar appears and when it expires. Set the start and end times, and let Pixpa handle the rest. It's a simple and effective way to grab attention and highlight what matters most to your visitors. The Quick Action Bar is a powerful feature that boosts user engagement by providing visitors with instant access to key actions. Once enabled, it appears as a floating bar on your website, offering shortcuts for contacting you, booking a session, or navigating to important pages. This feature ensures seamless navigation and encourages interaction, making it easier for your audience to take immediate action. The Quick Action Bar can be added to both the desktop and mobile versions of your website, maintaining a consistent and user-friendly experience across devices. The WhatsApp widget lets you connect directly with your visitors through live chat, creating an easy and instant communication channel right on your website. Once enabled, the widget appears as a floating WhatsApp icon, allowing visitors to reach out for queries, bookings, or support with just one click. This feature seamlessly integrates WhatsApp into your site, making it more convenient for your audience to get in touch with you in real time. Whether they're on desktop or mobile, visitors can enjoy quick and efficient communication right at their fingertips. Finally, email lists make it easy for you to manage your website audience. Collect visitor emails through forms, pop-ups, or newsletter subscriptions, and keep them updated with your latest content, offers, or news. The Website Options panel offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you manage and elevate your website effortlessly. Take the time to explore each feature, customize your site to suit your needs, and create a stunning online presence that truly reflects your brand and vision.